So, good morning, students. Today, in this lesson, we are going to learn about forest our life. Children, today we will look at a very precious but delicate resource, that is forest. This resource regulates the world's temperature. The forest is said to be the lungs of the earth. What do you think this means? The world's environment owes much of its state of health to the presence of forests. So, too does human survival and welfare. What is forest, children? A forest is a community of trees, shrubs, herbs, and associated plants and organisms that cover a considerable area that use oxygen, water, and soil nutrients as the community attains maturity and reproduces itself. Types of forests. There are different types of forests which can be seen in different parts of the world. Types of forest, children. Though they may be different, they generally perform the same ecological functions. These types of forests are tropical evergreen forests, tropical deciduous forests, trees that shed leaves annually, tropical thorn and shrubs forests. These forests are found where rainfall is between 60 to 75 centimeters. These forests have short stem trees. Children, tropical thorn and shrub forests are, especially these forests are found where rainfall is between 60 and 75 centimeters, and these forests have short stem trees. Mangrove forests. Structure of the forest: annual plants, perennial plants and grasses, shrubs, softwood trees, spines, hardwood trees. Importance of the forest, children. First of all, they provide raw materials for certain industry. They provide food, fodder, fuel, fertilizers, and fiber. They prevent soil erosion and preserve the fertility of the soil. They provide moisture and lower the temperature. These are very, very important of the forest for children. I will repeat. They provide raw materials for certain industry. They provide food, fodder, fuel, fertilizers, and fiber. They prevent soil erosion and preserve the fertility of the soil. They provide moisture and lower the temperature. They are the home for many animals and birds, thus they preserve the biodiversity. They maintain the ecological balance. They provide medical value, resulting in the making of many medicinal drugs. Forests also help to alleviate psychological stress arising from the traits of modern society. They provide the opportunity for relaxation and meditation, can lead to the development of ecotourism. So these are the importance of forest, children. Habitats of the forest. There are many creatures that depend on the forest for their survival. Should this precious habitat be destroyed, they will become extinct for they will not be able to survive anywhere else. Wildlife means the native animals of a region. Endangered species. These are the species which are in danger of extinction and which may not survive if the adverse factors continue to rotate. And vulnerable species. The species like to move into the endangered category in the near future if the casual adverse factors continue to operate. Rare species. These are the species with small population in the world and are at risk. Threatened species. These are the species which are in any one of the endangered, vulnerable rare species categories. Threatened reptiles, birds, and mammals in Jamaica. Reptiles, birds, and mammals which are present in Jamaica: Jamaican crocodile, Jamaican boa constrictor, Jamaican hummingbird, Jamaican blackbird, yellow-billed parrots, black-billed parrots, manatee and coney mammals. Reasons for depletion of wildlife. Absence of shelter to wild animals. What are the reasons? Main Main reasons for depletion of wildlife are absence of shelter to wild animals, deforestation, destruction of wild plants which affect the survival of the wild animals, and pollution. Why is it necessary to conserve wildlife? The wildlife helps us in maintaining balance of nature. It can increase our foreign exchange of linked with tourism. The preservation of wildlife helps to make their study easy. The wildlife of the Caribbean is our culture, asset, and had deep-rooted effect on Caribbean art, sculpture, and religion. Modes of wildlife conservation: protection by law, establishment of sanctuaries and national parks, natural habitats of wildlife should be carefully protected. Shooting and hunting by endangered species should be totally banned. Research on wildlife should be encouraged. Public should be educated. What a mouthful! Let's now look at the role of the forest. Promotes rainfall. What is the main role of forest? It promotes the rainfall, prevents soil erosion, prevents flooding, maintenance of the composition of the atmosphere, reduces noise pollution, acts as a wind barrier from heavy winds, provides medicinal remedies, recreation, lumber for the construction of industry. All these benefits will be of no effect if we do not care for the trees in the forest. To care for the forest, we must identify what are the causes of its destruction. Causes of deforestation. Forest fibers. Main causes for deforestation are forest fibers. Fires caused by careless persons. Shifting cultivation, which destroy large areas of forest. Excessive logging activities. Housing, which result in the destruction of trees to meet people demand for shelter. Removal of vegetation for mining purposes. Conservation of forests. Design certain areas as forest reserves. Controlled cutting of trees. This allows for only certain mature trees to be logged. A massive reforestation program that is replanting trees in areas that were once forested areas. Education campaign to sensitize people of the importance of forest. Strict and severe penalties for illegal lumbering. What can I do personally to protect the forest? Avoid destroying trees unnecessarily. Be careful with matches and cigarette butts in the adjacent to grassy and wooded areas. Recycle materials obtained from the forest. Plant trees for beautification and to commemorate special events. What can I do personally to protect the forest? Help to put out wildfire whenever possible. Do not hunt wildlife excessively, especially pregnant female and the young one. Get involved in environmental issues through word and action. We have come to the end. Thank you and have a nice day.